Adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Short, పొట్టి, shorter, shortest. Long, పొడవు, longer, longest. Strong, బలము గల, stronger, strongest. Quick, తొందర, quicker, quickest. Hot, వేడి, hotter, hottest. Tall, పొడవు, taller, tallest. Young, చిన్న, younger, youngest. Old, పెద్ద, older, oldest. Thick, దట్టము, thicker, thickest. New, కొత్త, newer, newest. Great, గొప్ప, greater, greatest. Noble, గొప్ప, nobler, noblest. Brave, ధైర్యము గల, braver, bravest. Able, సమర్థత గల, abler, ablest. These are the adjectives, three types of degrees of comparison explained in this short: positive degree, comparative degree, and